So I broke down and got the DJI Mavic Air. Let's see what she does.
How not to sail. Screwing up is part of cruising. Let me show you how. Yar.
Looks like my package has arrived here at the marina.
Still got the decoration tape on it.
That's my friend Tony.
It's like Christmas.
So I scurried back to the boat with my package and prepared a clean workspace to unbox it.
So I'm not real good at this whole unboxing genre. Let's just charge the batteries and get this sucker in the air.
So the short story is that the DJI Mavic Air is a great choice of value and 4K performance. I'll leave a link in the description in case you get a wild hair and want to buy one of them. Just for the love of Mike, practice in a wide open space on land before you try any of the stuff you see here. Like many DJI drones, the Mavic Air has a home function that if you get low on battery or various other things will attempt to bring the craft back to the home point, which if you are on a boat on the water is probably not the place you originally set the home point. Even in a marina, if the thing tries to land a few feet away from where you set the home point, you might have a problem. The Mavic Air has several quick shot modes that let you get some really cool footage with nothing more than your mobile device. And it even has a mode that lets you get awesome tracking shots with no more than hand gestures and the drone itself. It'll even automatically assemble clips on your mobile device for quick sharing to social media with music and everything. Here's one example. As you can see, the shots chosen on the auto-generated videos can be a little random, and they're downloaded to your mobile device only at 720p resolution. Also, I thought the audio came out a little crunchy, but the real magic is when you take the real 4K shots, like this.
So this thing is pretty awesome. I highly recommend it if you don't want the not 4K Mavic Mini, but can't afford the Mavic Pro 2. There is definitely a learning curve, but if you can get past that, and if you can bear in mind some tips that I'm going to provide later on how to deal with this aboard a boat that is in the middle of the water, you should be having a lot of fun.
How not to sail. Screwing up is part of cruising. Let me show you how.